Hello students, this is the continuation of fractions. That is, we have learned the addition, subtraction of fractions. So now we are going to start the multiplication. See, multiplication of a fraction, two types will come. How it is? By a whole number, means 0 to 1, 2, 3 and so on. And by the fractions also. Multiplication of a fraction with a whole number and with the fraction by fraction itself. So first one is multiplication by fraction. So I have taken the examples of the exercise itself only, not other than that. Remaining of this you have to solve it. Okay. So first question, multiplication by whole number. So whole number means usually whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So how we can represent the whole number as a fraction? So by writing the denominator as 1, we can convert the whole number as a fraction. See, fraction, it is in the form of p by q. So denominator should be number. And if it is denominator 1, itself indicates the 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. If it is any other number, if it is 100 also whole number, you can write as a divided by 1. So this indicates as a fraction itself. So that may be easy to multiply the fractions. So here is the question number 1. 7 into 3 by 5. So 7 is not a fraction. So why we have to convert is as a fraction means it is easy to multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Here there is not necessary to convert the fractions as a same denominator, means equivalent fractions we should not remove from those. Just if it is a multiplication, there is no confusion at all. Just multiply the numerators and keep, just multiply the denominator and keep. But in addition subtraction it is not like that. So we have to make it as a denominator same, then only we have to add and subtract. But in multiplication and division, what happens? Numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator itself. And so then go for the first question. 7 I have written as a 7 by 1 here, and as it is 3 by 5. So what happened? 3 by 5, just I said numerator to numerator multiplication. What happened? 7 into 3, 1 into 5. So 7 into 3 is 21, divided by 1 into 5 is 5. So 21 by 5. So 21 by 5 is as an improper fraction. I have converted as a mixed fraction. How it is? You know the method. It's 21 divided by 5. 5 4s are 20. So remaining is 1. 1 numerator it is. Remainder as a numerator. Quotient as a whole number, and this is in the denominator itself. So this is 4 whole or 4 and 1 by 5. Okay. Next whole number 13 into 1 by 3 here. So 13 also I have written as a 13 by 1 itself, isn't it? Then into 1 by 3. So 13 into 1, 1 into 3. Numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. But it is not applicable in addition subtraction. Again and again I am telling, don't confuse with the addition subtraction and multiplication division. See, in addition subtraction we have to convert the both or more than fractions. We have to make it denominator as the same by taking LCM of denominators. But here there is not necessary to take the LCM and make it as a denominator same. Just multiply it. So 13 into 1 is 13. 1 into 3 is 3. So 13 by 3 is also an improper fraction. If you convert it 4 and 1 by 3. You can check by the dividing the numbers. So see the third one. 3 and 1 by 4 into 6. See, 3 and 1 by 4 is a mixed fraction. We have to make it as an improper fraction first. How it is? It is 3 into 4 plus 1, isn't it? So that nothing but 13 as in the numerator. Denominator as it is. So 6 I can write as 6 by 1. Okay. Then numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator, we have to multiply as a 13 into 6, 4 into 1. So 13 into 6 is 78 divided by 4. So also we can now 78 divided by 4. So 78 divided by 4, we can, it is an improper fraction, convert it by dividing the numbers, convert as a mixed fraction. So 78 divided by 4 gives the 19 as a whole, 2 as a remainder, and 4 is in the denominator. Okay, check once again. Then go for fourth question. Fourth one, 5 into 6 and 3 by 4. See here, same, 6 and 3 by 4 is in mixed fraction. Make it as an improper fraction as 6 into 424 plus 3 divided by 4, and 5 I have written as a 5 by 1, so that we can identify numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. That's all. Now you can see, the 5 into 27, 1 into 4 as a 135 divided by 4. Again you can divide it to get the mixed fraction. So see the process by division to get 33 whole 3 by 4. Now go for the fifth question. So direct question from the exercise only I have chosen. If the question arises, find 3 by 4 of. See, this of is nothing but the multiplication. Keep it in mind. See, in the fraction, 2 words will come. Those are nothing but and of. See, and operation represent addition. Of operator represent the multiplication. That's all. Just now I mixed in the mixed fraction I have told no how it is. In the mixed fraction what it was, if I written 3 and 1 by 4, if I written means it is 3 and 1 by 4. It represent 3 and means plus 1 by 4 it represents. If I written 3 of 1 by 4 means it is representing 3 of means multiplication, 1 by 4. Whatever not in the multiplication, and means addition, of means multiplication. Keep it in mind always. Okay, of represents as a multiplication. So we have to multiply the numbers. 3 by 4 into 16 first. Then after with the 36 we can see. So 16, just now I said we cannot write 16 itself. 16 by 1, numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So 3 into 16, 48, 4 into 1, 4. So then it is 48 by 4. If you divide it by 4, it is gives a 12 divided by 1. That is nothing but 12 itself. Or by another method we can solve this. How it is? Here we have got a 3 by 4 into 16 by 1. We can directly cancel 4 ones are 4 fours are, because numerator to denominator we can cancel. But denominator to denominator, numerator to numerator we should not cancel. Okay, denominator, numerator, one numerator, one denominator we can cancel by the one common multiples. Okay, here, or you can check, write like this also we can solve. 3 into 16 divided by 4 into 1. Okay, here also 1 in numerator, 4 fours are, 4 ones are. This 4 and 16 come in the common table 4. That's why by cancelling the by 4 we are written. So now you can multiply the remaining numbers. 3 into 4 is a 12. 1 into 1 is 1. So it is also 12 comes. See, here I have written by cancellation, isn't it? So remaining numbers, this one, this 4 and this 3 we can write in numerator. Remaining 1 and 1 we can write in a denominator to get the number. See the B question, 3 by 4 of 36. Of means multiplication sign. Instead of word, write sign multiplication. 3 by 4 into 36 by 1. 36 by 1 it is. See, here also two methods. Direct multiplication numerator to numerator, or by cancellation the numerator and denominator each. Only one we can cancel. If sometimes 12 by 4 into 16 by 2, not 2, once again I'll write, wait, 12 by 4 into 16 by 5, it is a question. See, 12 comes in the table of 4, 16 also come in the common of 4. We should not cancel all. 4 ones are, 4 threes are, 4 fours are. No, only once we can cancel. Means, if you are written 12 by 4 into 16 by 5, either you can cancel here or here. Only one way you can do it, not both. Once 4 ones are, 4 3 also you can cancel, or else you can 4 ones are, 4 fours are. Only once we can cancel. If any other number instead of 4, if it is 6 comes, 4 6 ones are, 6 twos are. Like this also you can cancel. Okay. Remaining 2 into 4, 1 into 1. Like that you may choose. Here also we have written a 3 into 36 as 108, 4 into 1, 4. So if we divide it by 108 divided by 4, 27 by 1, it gets that nothing but 27 as a whole number. Or else by cancellation, what happens here? 3 by 4 into 36 by 1. So 36 come in the common table 4. So 4 ones are 4. 9s are 36. So 3 and 9 multiplication, 1 and 1 multiplication. So 3 9s are 27 by 1, and also it is nothing but 27. So both answers same. However, you can apply the method. Now we can see the multiplication by fraction by fraction. Multiplication of fraction by fraction. So both may be the fraction. How we can multiply? It is very easy. Before whole numbers, what we did, it is we are converted as a fraction, then we have multiplied numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator, or else we have cancelled numerator and denominator. So here also same steps. That's why we have not taken the more examples of this. That is 2 by 3 into 2 and 2 by 3. So this is a question. Here 2 and 2 by 3 as a mixed fraction. Just now I said, if it is any other question in the operation, mixed fraction arises, we have to convert first as an improper fraction. That is 2 into 3, 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 as a 8. So 2 by 3 multiplication keep as it is. Okay. Then 2 into 8, 3 into 3. That is 16 by 9. It is in improper fraction. We can write it as a 1 and 7 by 9. Or else, see the second question also. First mixed fraction, then it is a proper fraction. That is 6 and 2 by 5 into 7 by 9. Here also 6 and 2 by 5 is a mixed fraction. We have to convert it as a improper fraction. So 6 5s are 30 plus 2 is 32. Then 32 by 5 remaining as it is. Then 32 by 5 into 7 by 9 means numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator multiplication. You will get a 224 divided by 45. So if you divide 224 by 45, so 4s are 180 if you can multiply, because 45 ones are 45, 45 2s are 90, again it is 135. If you add again, it is a 180. It will come. So the answer 4 and 44 by 45. Then see the next question, third one. It is find 1 by 4 of 1 by 4 and 3 by 5. See, just now I said of indicates as a multiplication. So first A question I have chosen 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. Separately I have written 1 by 4 of 3 by 5. If any other question C, D comes means you can write like this only and solve it. Here 1 by 4 of means instead of I have written multiplication in this step. Again numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. If you multiplication 1 by 16. So here if you can take 1 by 4 of 3 by 5, same of instead of we can choose an as a multiplication sign. Then multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. You'll get a 3 by 20. Next see the fourth one. Find 1 by 2 of 2 by 3. That is nothing but 1 by 2 into 2 by 3. See 2 by 3, numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. If you want, you can multiply like this. 2 by 6 and 2 ones are 2 threes are also 1 by 3 will come, or else I have cancelled here. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 ones I have cancelled. 1 ones are 1. It is 1 into 3 is 1 by 3. Here also I have cancelled, because why I have cancelled here, this is from the exercise 2.2, so you can easily write it without multiplication. So again here in the fifth question, find 3 by 4 of 4 by 5. Here also 3 by 4 into 4 by 5. 4 ones are get cancelled. 3 ones are 3. 3 by 5 it is. So in the sixth question, find 1 by 2 of 2 and 3 by 4. 2 and 3 by 4 is in mixed fraction. I have converted as an improper fraction as 11 by 4. You can check 2 4s are 8 plus 3 is 11. So in place of I have written multiplication sign. Then numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. 11 by 8. 11 by 8 you can divide it. So 8 ones are 8. It is 3 remainder. So 3 in the numerator, 1 as a whole number and 8 as a in the denominator.